Michael Rodro and G. Gabriel of Por Luna. I'm here to deliver my speech. Someone who you can depend on. Lean on, tell your problems and secrets. Give you advice when you need. He's always there for you. Accept who you truly is. Laugh with you, dance with you in the rain. Someone who knows you and loves you just the same. Who make you smile even your deepest problem. And the one who will stay beside you forever is called friend. I want to thank God for giving me such wonderful friend that will always be a treasure that I will keep forever. I want to thank Leonardo Inocentes for the best ever friend to me. Charlton Marquio Torres, who makes me laugh every time. Melvin Santos, who fetch me in my house. Dave Moses Olaes and Ronnie Santos for being a good sport. And most especially Mr. Felipe A. Maliabo for being a good, loving advisor who is always there not only for me but for the whole class. As our lives goes on, I will never forget the memories that we have shared together. Each day we spent together as such an unforgettable memories. This will always stay in my mind and within my heart. I thank everyone for loving and caring and giving me happiness. Thank for spending your lives to me. I hope that you will never forget me, and even if sometimes I treat you badly. Thank you for the wonderful friendship. Our friendship will never end.
The clothes I wear may just seem so absurd.